Good morning, children. I am Chanti Babu. I work as a English teacher in MJP AP BCWR School, Samasa. Today we are going to discuss about degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison are used when we compare one person or one thing with another. There are three types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. First, we have to know about positive degree. We use the positive degree when we speak about only one person or thing. For example, LeBron James is tall. The house is big. This flower is beautiful. So, positive degree says about only one person. Look at the example: LeBron James is tall. Here, the sentence says about LeBron James. The second example is the house is big. Here, the sentence says about only one house. Third example is this flower is beautiful. Here, this sentence says about only one flower. So, we use the positive degree when we speak about only one person or one thing. Second one is comparative degree. We use the comparative degree when we compare two persons or two things with each other. For example, Yao Ming is taller than LeBron James. Here, it compares the difference between Yao Ming and LeBron James. The second example is this house is bigger than that one. Here it is also compares the difference between two houses. Third example is she is nicer than him. It is also compares the difference between two persons. So we use the comparative degree when we compare two persons or two things with each other. The third one is superlative degree. We use the superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or things with one another. It is the highest degree of the quality. For example, Peter is the smartest boy in class. Alice is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. Third one is the blue whale is the largest of all animals. So here we compare more than two persons or two things with one another. So it is called superlative degree. So you have to remember these three degrees. The positive degree says about only one person. The comparative degree says about two persons or two things, and the superlative degree says about more than two persons or two things. Now we have to know about adjective forms because degrees of comparison depends on adjective forms. The comparative forms of one syllable adjectives are formed by adding er or r to the positive form, and the superlative forms are formed by adding est or st. Er and est are added to the positive forms which end in two consonants or a consonants that preceded by two vowels. Look at the example: tall. Tall, it is a one syllable. So we add er to the comparative form and we add est to the superlative form. The second and third examples also has one syllable. So we add er and est to their forms. So this is the brief introduction of degrees of comparison. I hope you understand well. Thank you.